Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a coloring tutorial. Okay, so we're starting with the skin tone. I'm gonna color like everywhere, like put the skin tone, the blush, the lips, and some of the nose shading. But I'm not gonna fully shade the nose yet. We'll go back to the nose later. I'm just trying to put a bunch of the main stuff so I can start focusing on details later. So now we're gonna really focus on the eyes because that is mostly the main part. So I'm gonna start by putting most of her makeup, starting by marking out the 𝐠𝐮𝐲𝐬 and everywhere else. I'll try to pick all the colors from the reference. Okay, now I'm going to start shading putting the white part of the eye. I don't really know what it's called, so me will just put it on the screen right there. Okay, so after that, I'll put in the eye color, and now we'll just get back to the lips. I would like to start bouncing from place to place because of most of the times I'll just start shading the eyes, and then a few minutes later I'll go and shade the lips. Okay, now we're back to the eyes because I feel like it's going to take a long time. And then I'll change the color of the sketch to match the skin tone or the eye color so that to look more soft and appealing. And then I'll do the same to the hair. And then I'll start coloring the rest of the clothes, like the ribbon bow, the dress, the necklace, and then I'll move to rendering. Now until the rendering part. I'm going to be adding shading to some places like the 𝐠𝐮𝐲𝐬, the eyelid, and I'll start drawing out some part of the eyelashes. I'll do the same for the other eye, and I'll start adding some highlights, and then we'll move on to the lips. Okay, for the lips, I'm gonna start shading like the corners, and then mostly copying from the reference, and then I'm gonna add like the dark part over down, and then I'm going to start shading it, the corner with the blending tool. I'll mostly just be shading and blending, like color picking the colors from the reference, shading and blending. That's what I do when I'm dealing with references. But if I'm doing normally, I will make like a new lip tutorial on how I shade it. Now, onto the nose, I'll start adding the highlights to the lips and then the nose. And then I'll start detailing the nose, like copying the colors and adding it on the nose, and then I'll start adding the highlights everywhere, and then now we'll move on to the hair. I'm so sorry, my screen recorder didn't get the hair part, and it was just like a lot of things, screen recorder issues, so the hair, I didn't get any footage of it. I'm just gonna make a separate tutorial, and we're gonna move on to the accessories. Now, the accessories, I don't have too much to talk about it because I'm just copying the reference, to be honest. And then I'm going to go around the drawing, trying to fix anything that I didn't see. Okay, to be honest, this drawing took me 2 weeks. Because I just wanted to see things that I couldn't see. For the dress parts, I just continue picking the colors and start to put it on the drawing. Wherever the dark parts are, I'll start picking the dark colors. But sometimes when I pick the colors come out a little too light. So I'll just go to the color wheel and get the dark color by myself and then start drawing it. So you might see some parts that might look a little teeny difference, but I don't think you might really notice. So I did the same color picking thing to the bow and to the necklace too, but later I'll do some details for the necklace. Now we are done. We went through 3 processes, which was the coloring, the rendering, and the finalizing. The finalizing consists of people telling you criticism. As I say, criticism is very important. There's some things that you can't see, but someone else can see it. So that's why I always tell someone else to go and look at my drawing. And then after that, I was done. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. And if you have any